The Watch 5 Pro offers a 60% bigger battery than the Watch 4 thanks to a 590 mAh battery compared to the Watch 5's maximum 410 mAh for the 44mm version. What that means in terms of the watch's time between charges is around 80 hours, essentially double that of Watch 5. However, if you are making full use of the always-on display and increased power of its GPS and activity tracking tools, we're simply not sure if that impressive figure will pass muster during testing. Stay tuned for a more comprehensive breakdown once we spend more time with the watch. After handling the watch for less than an hour, we can't tell you whether to buy or not just yet, but at a glance it looks like the best fitness-oriented wearable watch yet. Although it's certainly not cheap, it's clearly got the power and chops to beat all its contemporaries and go toe-to-toe with the Apple Watch in terms of performance, if not quite style. With rumors of a rugged Apple Watch 8 on the horizon, it's interesting Samsung got there first with the adventure-focused Watch 5 Pro, but will true outdoor enthusiasts will ditch their Santos and base Germans in drops and embrace Airways? We'll have to spend more time with this watch to find out. The watch has been unveiled as part of Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on 10 August, where it launched alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 foldables, as well as the standard Galaxy Watch 5 and new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro available to pre-order ahead of watch's release date of 26th August. Like the other devices in Samsung's lineup, in the US it's set to cost $449 for the Bluetooth version and $499 for the LTE 4G version, compared to $279.99 for the Bluetooth version of the standard Watch 5 and $329.99 for LTE. That's quite a jump for the leap in design quality, bigger battery and enhanced GPS features. In the UK, the Watch 5 Pro is set to cost €429 for Bluetooth version and €479 for LTE version. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.